Hey tubers, what's up? Decided to work on the Jeep again. Today I'm going to tack on my spring purchase to my diffs, and once they're done, pull the diffs back out again, weld them all up, stick them back on, should be good to go. Man, I'm telling you, job's getting tricky. I got welder issues, I got breaker issues in the house. That's a pain in the butt. Gotta get her done. Well, there we go, guys. Done working on the Jeep for the day. Maybe we'll go for a bike ride. Anyway, I'm gonna go over here and take a look at this other project I've been working on here for a while. Well, I haven't really done much with it. Well, tell me what you think, guys. Future project. Oh my God. What do you think? 4x4 trailer? What do you think? Should I do a spring overlift on that too? Flip the axle around. I got a set of 31s I could put on there. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments below.